Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is once again sponsored by BOHOBABE Hair, and this time they sent me their Boho Babe Hair, and this is their Kaya Twist Crochet Hair. This is pretty much a new collection of theirs. They sent me a 24-inch Boho Babe Kite Twist Crochet Hair. At first I thought it was Passion Twist, to be honest, but then I realized that on the packaging it said Boho Babe, so I guess it's a new collection that they have. So they pretty much sent me 10 pack, well, 10 packs. Yeah, I got 10 packs and it had 12 strands in each pack. Yeah. Um I'll be going more in the packaging and stuff, but for now I'm just showing you guys how I am prepping my hair. I just washed my hair and pretty much oiled it, and I am just sectioning my hair because it's easier to work in sections. My hair grew a lot. If you've been on my channel for a while now, then you know I did a big chop where I literally like chopped off all my hair, and now it's growing and it's growing even thicker. And because it's under the wig all the time, so I'm not really putting any tension or pressure on my hair itself, it's really growing. So yeah, I decided to put my hair in section because it's easier to work with, and yeah, I it's just annoying to work when it's like so much hair. So yeah. And guys, I promise my hair is not dirty. I just don't know what those were in my head. And it's not dandruff because as soon as I combed them out, they all came off. Like there was nothing left on my scalp, so I'm not sure what that was. But anyways, yeah, I did my baby hairs and set them in place just because like it's kind of the most tedious part of this tutorial, pretty much. So what I'm doing right now is just sectioning those bigger sections, those big sections into smaller sections, so it's easier to work with, like I said. And then after I went in with smaller sections, and I'm going to go in with even more smaller sections. And I'm doing the elastic band method, and this is just for people that don't care to braid their hair. If you can also braid your hair if you want, but I just feel like at least the front part of your hair is better off like in smaller sections than even smaller than a braid just going back. So yeah, after setting my baby hairs, um, I'm just going to go ahead and pretty much just start the elastic band method, and it's pretty much connecting just connecting boxes. So I, part my hair in sections or boxes, and then I did one, then attach it to the next one, and that is how I got the pretty much almost like the small section that you would normally twist if you were supposed to do this from scratch. But this time I'm just doing it with the elastic band to put the hair underneath the elastic band, so it gives the illusion of it being twisted from my roots. And I also went in with some edge control just to put on the roots so it looks a little bit more neat. Even though these hairstyles, they do look better when it's messy, but at the same time you still want it to be neat, messy. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. Yeah, I went in with some edge control. And yeah, I'm going to let you guys watch as I pretty much connect all these smaller or small sections.
face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Okay guys, so this is how my hair is pretty much looking right now. I went ahead and I prepped it. I'm just going to be showing you guys the back. So what I did was just basically braided the top part inside these braids in the back, and you don't really need to do the braids in the back neatly, just because it's not really like it's not really gonna show, to be honest. But you want to do the front part small. You could actually do this all the way down if you don't feel like braiding it, but I just feel like it's not really necessary because it is crochet braid, and I'm just going to be attaching the passion twist to my hair, so I don't think you really need to actually go like in depth. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys what the hair looks like. So this is the hair, and I don't remember if I said it in the intro, but it is sponsored by Missio Hair, and they sent me, I'm not sure what length this is. Yeah, I'm not sure what length this is, but this is really long, and this is how they're looking. It's not my natural color here, but you know, it's fine. Like, it will work. I think it will look cute. We'll make it work. So I am 5'5". And to show you guys like how far it reaches me, I'm not sure what so it catches me pretty much on my bone. Yeah. And I'm 5'5". So they sent me this, I think it's a crochet needle. Yeah, the crochet needle to help me with the hairstyle, They sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs, and in each pack there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm gonna go ahead and start installing them. It's pretty much self-explanatory, but I won't be talking. I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I'm doing pretty much. So
when I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Okay guys, so this top part is pretty much done. It's cute or whatever. I'm going to put this up in a bun. These are actually very, well, not very long, but like compared to like the ones that I've had, yeah, they're long. So I'm gonna put this up in a bun so I can do the back.
Walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousand, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza.
So this is pretty much the end of this video. I'm just going over my baby hairs, and yeah, it's pretty much the end. Once again, I would like to thank Nisio Hair for sponsoring this video. The link to the hair will be down in the description box, so if you want to purchase this hair, everything will be in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Once again, thank you guys. I love you guys, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.